You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly with the Spanish pronunciation and how it's said, how you can easily say it, pronounce it in English. Comes from Spanish, of course. It's also very common in Mexico, meaning Paul, as in Saint Paul from the Bible. Pablo, Pablo, Pablo is the Spanish pronunciation here. Pablo, same in Mexico, Pablo or South America, Pablo. In English, it's normally pronounced as Pablo, Pablo. English pronunciation, Pablo. Spanish pronunciation, how to pronounce Pablo. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.